Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Maths. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In today's session of Algebra, we are going to solve problems involving quadratic equations. The first problem we have here is, if the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24/5, then find the number. Let us consider the number as x and its reciprocal is 1/x. It's given that the difference between the number and its reciprocal is 24/5. So x minus 1/x is equal to 24/5. The first step is we have to convert the word problem to a quadratic equation form. Then solve the quadratic equation in any one of the three methods that we have learnt. So here let us solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. We get 5x squared minus 24x minus 5 is equal to 0 as the quadratic equation. The middle term can be split into minus 25x plus x. And solving by grouping method, we get 5x into x minus 5 plus 1 into x minus 5. Therefore, the factors of this quadratic equation is x minus 5 into 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the values that we get for x are minus 1/5, 5. Therefore, the number is either minus 1/5 or 5. The next problem for today's session is, a garden measuring 12 meter by 16 meter is to have a pedestrian pathway that is W meter wide installed all the way around so that it increases the total area to 285 meters squared. What is the width of the pathway? Here, this is the garden measuring 12 meter by 16 meter, and this is the pedestrian pathway that is W meter wide. All the way around. Let us mark the inner rectangle as PQRS and the outer rectangle as P dash, Q dash, R dash and S dash. Area of the rectangle PQRS is equal to 16 into 12 meter square, and area of the rectangle P dash, Q dash, R dash and S dash is 16 plus 2W. The width is on both the sides, so it's plus 2W into 12 plus 2W. Same way it is on either side of the line 12. So the next step is 196 plus 32W plus 24W plus 4W square is equal to 285, because it is given that the pathway increases the total area to 285 meters squared. So 4W squared plus 56W minus 93 is equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term as 62w minus 6w and factorizing by grouping method, we get the factors as 2w minus 3 into 2w plus 31 is equal to 0, which gives the value of w as 3 by 2, which is 1.5, and minus 31 by 2, which is minus 15.5 meters respectively. But negative value is not possible for a width, so we have to consider the positive value, which is 1.5 meters. Therefore, the width of the pathway is 1.5 meters. Hope the session was interesting. For much more, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.